Okay, so this is a tour of my house. So, the living room, the dining room with a really big table, and here's the kitchen. So pretty. And then if we go down here, we have like a den down here. There's like a TV and some couches and a bathroom. And if you come this way, one of the girls has a room right there. And some storage and stuff. Back up the steps. And open this door and we're back in the hallway. Big bathroom. Laundry room. And two of the girls' rooms. And up to the third floor. And there's a bathroom in here. And then a bedroom. And then this is the bedroom too. And then there's my room. It's like the cupboard under the stairs.